Hey guys, it's your guy Abrazak Otokiti. I welcome you to this short tutorial on how to create drop down for filtering. So this is the data sets that we're going to be working with in this tutorial. So I'm going to show you how to create a drop down for filtering, and also to show you how to create a dashboard. So now a dashboard, this is a dashboard that I've already created for us. In this dashboard, we're going to use this dashboard to get a summary view of each of the choosing category. Because if you look at this data set, we have a category, we have a category column, we have campaign column. So now for us to get to create a drop down list in this particular, to choose a particular category, you come to data tab. After coming to data tab, then you go to data validation. Once you click on data validation, then you come here under allow, then any value, you click here, then you see list. Click on list. It will ask you for source, then you click on source, then it will ask you to select a particular value, then you come here to the sign up, then you select all the category. Once you select all the category, then you click this and click OK. You see that you already have a drop down there. Now you can select a particular category from here. You can see you can select different category from there. So now let's say, for example, now we select baby, and we also know the number of key phrases that is attached to baby, because these are the unique key phrases. We want to know the number of unique key phrases that is attached to category. So now for us to do that, we use count if. You use count if, then open bracket, then you select your criteria range. Here we come here to the category column, select it, everything there, and make sure you anchor it. Then you now come here and select comma, then and select your criteria. After selecting your criteria, then you close the bracket and hit enter. So now the number of key phrases that is attached to baby category alone is 55. For other category, let's say for example, for other category is 5. For men, we have about 19. For let's say home, we have 6. So let's say for example, we want to know the total number of ad cost for each of the category. So now you come here, you use sum if. Use sum if, open bracket, then it requests for range. Then you come here, you select your criteria range, which is the category. Then you come here, you select everything, anchor it. After anchoring it, then you come here, you place comma, then you select your criteria. This is our criteria. We can just decide to anchor criteria also. We anchor the criteria. After anchoring the criteria, we place comma, then the sum range. Then you come here. This is the ad cost. You come to the ad cost column, then you select everything, then you make sure you anchor it. After anchoring it, then you come here and close your bracket. Close the bracket and hit enter. So now for home, the total number of ad cost that is associated to it is $3,368.87. So now for, let's say for general, this is it. For baby, let's say for baby, this is it. So now you can see we are having summary value for each of the column. So now let's say for example, we want to know the number of sign-up that is attached to baby. So now to get the number of sign-ups attached to baby, we use sum if also to add all the sign-ups that is for baby category. Now the next thing we do, we just come here, select the category column, then you anchor it. After anchoring it, then you select baby and you anchor it. After anchoring it, comma, then the sum range. The sum range in this case now is going to be sign up. So now we come here, we go to sign up column. This is the sign up column. Then you highlight everything, you anchor it, then you come here, close it, then close the bracket. Close the bracket, then I hit enter. So now the total number of signups for baby category is 2,772. For number of conversion now, you also use some if. You use some if, then you select your criteria range, which is the baby category, which is this. You select, anchor it, then you place comma, then the criteria range baby, then you anchor it, then comma, then sum range of conversion. So go to conversion, then you add everything, you select everything, and you anchor it, then come here and close the bracket. So you hit enter. So this is the total number of conversion that is attached, that is associated with baby category. So now to know the number of sales for category, total number of sales for category, you use for baby category, you use sum if, then you come here, you select the range, which is the category range, select everything, category column, select everything, you anchor it, then you place comma. After placing comma, then criteria baby, then the next thing you anchor it, then you place comma, then sum range of sales. So you go to sales column, and select everything there. After selecting it, then you anchor it. After anchoring it, then you close the bracket. So come here and hit enter. So now the total number of sales associated with baby is $5,557.33. So now for each of the category, now you can just come here, select it. You see it will be showing you the summary value of each of the baby category. You see, if it is children, you see it. This is how you create a dashboard to show a summary view of each of your data sets. So now the same way you create this one is the same way that you can also use to create for campaign. So thanks for listening and hope to see you next time.